Namaste. Wishing all my viewers a happy GaneshChaturthi. I would like to thank Lord Vigneshwara for showering his blessings on all my initiatives. I know you also must be super excited as I am for the upcoming festival. I am sure preparations must have commenced in full swing in getting decorative items and background setup for placing the Ganesha idol. Some of you might also be planning to visit your relatives or neighbor's place during the festivities. Did you ever plan or think of making a handcrafted Ganesha idol for this festival at your home instead of buying the ready-made idol from the market? Looking for some tips and tricks? Oh, don't worry, I am here to help you. Request you to pay attention as I demonstrate to you the method of making Ganesha idol. To begin with, let us collect the items required like natural clay, cloth, knife, straw, pencil, earbuds, lid, toothpicks, sticks, lace and kundan. This natural clay I got it from Itsybitsy. This is super soft and moist. After unpacking, I took a clean plate and mixed it well to check the quality and stickiness of the soil. The quality of clay is perfect for beginners. I'll be leaving the link in the description box for those of you who want to place an order. This is not a sponsored video. You can check the link after watching this video. Let's pray to Lord Ganesha to bless us in making elegant idol for this festivity. So praying Vignaharta to bless us ahead. Now on my table, you can see I have spread a newspaper, a plastic sheet and a plate. Here I am using a sturdy quarter plate as a base. You can take cardboard also. Now divide the clay into small portions. A rectangle shaped clay for base, 4 elongated cylindrical shapes for legs and hands, 2 round ones for the ears, 2 more round shapes for head and trunk, 1 big one for the body. Balanced clay can be used for crowns and other ornaments. After the initial setup, let us begin by giving shape to the idol. Now take a small rectangle shaped clay and place it as a base. Now place a body shaped clay on the base. Try to mold it with wet hands and give it a proper shape of a human body. As you can see on the screen, make detailing on the chest portion. Add some extra clay to make the belly look big. Ensure you make a stomach slightly bigger in shape as Ganesha is called Lambodhara. Always remember to attach each body part one after the other. As you can see, I am attaching the body to the base. Now I am adding a snake. Just make a thin long shape out of clay and press to make the snake face. You can use a toothpick or pencil to make designs on the snake body. Belly of the idol is covered by a snake as a belt. This represents energy in all forms. Now I am having 2 elongated legs as I am attaching same thing to the body. Just press on toes and using sticks make some markings on the nails. One can use sticks to make designs of dhoti and other ornaments. To beautify it more, I am adding some kundans. Just press on wet clay. It will stay and dry very quickly. Now I am adding dhoti with designs. I am using pencil to make a hole to represent the navel. Now make a garland with a pendant and make kundans as a choice. Place kundans one by one with a delicate hand. Now I am adoring the idol by adding Janivara, the sacred thread. I tried to make it thinner, but the clay was very much soft. Next, I am attaching hands in an Ashirvad or blessing stance and one hand holding laddu or prasada. I am attaching two hands towards a rear, as Ganesha making the idol a Chaturbhuja. Next, take a round shaped ball and place it on the body as the head of the idol. Next, take clay and give it a shape of a trunk. Elephant-headed Ganesha as Gajanana. This represents the importance of duty. Attach two round as ears, so-called Shurpakarna, always with the big ears as elephants. To make Ganeshji more beautiful, I am adding some beads as well. Next in sequence, add a petha as a headgear or crown with a simple design. And on the face, I am giving the shape of eyes using a knife. Make markings. Ganesha is also called as Sumukha, depicting the cute or pleasing face. Make one tusk as Ganesha is known as Ekadanta. Now I am adding lace as Shalya or cloth adorning the upper body of the idol. Lastly, I also made a corona. I'll be leaving link of my previous year's videos for reference. Request you to watch once before you start making a Ganesha idol. As we all know, Lord Ganesha is highly revered and loud God, known to remove all obstacles in all endeavors. May I pray God to bless us with a good health and prosperity.